So, you've been in a car accident, but you don't know what you're supposed to do. The three things you are not supposed to do after a car accident. If you've been injured, here's what we're talking about. So, thing number one, you don't want to make any statements to insurance companies, okay? Maybe your own insurance company, but you really want to talk to a lawyer first, even for that. What's going to happen if you don't hire an attorney is you're going to get a phone call from the other person's insurance company, and they're going to say, hey, we want to have a recorded statement. We want you to find out your side of the story, and they want to help you out. You're going to complain to them. You know, I got all these medical bills piling up, and they're going to say, oh, we'll take care of it. We just need to know what's going on for our file, and we want to have a recorded statement. And you think, what's the problem? Why should I not tell them? I want to tell everybody what's going on. I'm not lying. Well, here's what they're going to do. Okay. Remember, the insurance company, especially their insurance company, is not on your side. They're on their side. They're on their money's side, and they don't want to give you that money. And they're going to use everything they can to keep that money from you. And what are they going to do? They're going to record that statement. Are you going to get a copy of that statement? You will not get a copy of that statement. Why not? Because that's what they're using to prepare their defense in case you file a lawsuit, and it's going to be privileged. You're not going to get a copy of it. So you said something, and now they've got your words written down, and you don't have access to what you actually ever said. And what will happen is, let's say there's a dispute. Let's say they think that you are at fault for the accident, or their client is not at fault, or their insured is not at fault. They're going to make you come chase them. And they're going to deny liability, and you're going to have to file a lawsuit. And then what they're going to do is they're going to take your deposition. It's a statement. You're giving your statement under oath, and it's like testifying at trial. But here's the trick. If you say anything in a deposition that is not true, or looks like it's not true, they can confront you and make you look like a liar. And what are they going to use to make you look like a liar? They're going to use the original statement you gave, months and months, maybe years back. And if there's anything in there that, you think it was at, mid-afternoon, it was late afternoon, you think it was cloudy, and then you say it was sunny, anything that is different, inconsistent, they're going to bring it up, and they're going to, you're going to get in front of a jury with your case, and you're going to say, look, a day after the accident or a week after the accident, you said you weren't all that hurt, but 2 years later, you said, man, I was really hurt, and they're going to make you look like a liar. And the last thing a jury wants to do is to award anyone for lying. So if you've been in an accident, don't mess up your case. Don't talk to the other side's insurance company. Don't agree to any statements. Don't written statements over the phone, nothing until you've called a lawyer. I'm Mark Schoendorf, HS Injury Law, 888-LAW-9008, chicago-injury.com.